Closing holes in amigurumi. In this tutorial, we'll be going through two different methods to close an amigurumi. So let's try the first one first. As you can see, this is my octopus pattern, and then I'm adding some stuffing before I intend to close up the amigurumi. So as you can see, there's a front loop only border here, for which I'm going to attach a flat circular base to the bottom of the octopus. So string the trailing yarn through a darning needle, and then we will proceed to sew the flat circular base onto the bottom of the amigurumi. As you can see, I intentionally made a very obvious front loop only border so that you can see how the two pieces are being sewn together. So actually the needle is going through both loops of the circular base, and then only the front loop of the octopus base. So you can see through both, and then the third loop. And then we will continue all around the round until we have finished attaching both pieces together. As you can see, as we continue sewing all around the round, we are actually closing up the base of the octopus. And this method that we are sewing down is actually using just a simple whip stitch method. There are also other ways to attach two pieces together, but that's actually a separate tutorial. So we will finish up the base all around, and then I'll show you how it looks like at the end, and then we will go through the second method to close up amigurumi. After we have finished sewing all around the round, then we will conceal the excess yarn, and then we also cut off any excess yarn that is not needed. And you can see over here, so I am just concealing the excess yarn over here. So you can see this is one method of how to close the amigurumi, which is actually how I started out, and it's fairly easy. But this does involve amigurumi with a flat base. And then for the second method, I'll be showing another way to close up the octopus, which might be faster than this method. So you can see this is a flat, clean base, like I mentioned. So for method 2, we're using actually a no-sew-close technique. So as you can see, it's very similar to the previous octopus, but here I'm actually decreasing in the round. That is a separate tutorial, but basically this is just a walkthrough of how it will look like if I use this other method to close up the amigurumi. So I'm actually decreasing all around the round. This is actually making use of the same octopus pattern that we used in the previous example. So you can see we are narrowing off the base over here, and then this is the narrowest part of the whole piece, and you can see that I'm going to cut off excess yarn, leaving a little bit of trailing yarn to close up. So use a darning needle as well as string the trailing yarn through it, and then proceed to insert the needle into the front loops only of the last round. So you can see I'm inserting into the front loop, into the front loop, and then into the front loop, and then after that the last front loop, and then pull to tighten and then close up the hole, and then string through the other part of the octopus and then conceal in the ends. So you can see this is another way to close up amigurumi. This second method gives a soft rounded finish and is much faster than the first one. So which method do you prefer?